Okay, now I'll connect this OLED to Arduino. For this, just place this LED on the uh, on this breadboard. Just place. Let me place this and be careful. You should not damage the pin, otherwise it will not be working. So first, I need to connect this Arduino to this organic LED. I need to use first we will connect this serial clock pin, the that is the HCL pin of the OLED to the last pin of the Arduino. This is the HCL pin of the Arduino. So I'll connect it to this HCL pin, and after that connect the serial data pin to the serial data pin of the Arduino, that is pin number 18 of the Arduino. It's just a simple connection. And now connect the VCC pin of the OLED to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino, and finally connect the ground to the ground pin of an Arduino. So this is the complete setup, and you can see the setup is completed.